For those who question, does this case matter?
Tomorrow, stay in line. Everyone stay in your order for right now.
Take a look. It's not often you see people camping out for days just for a chance to sit in the U.S. Supreme Court. As the arguments got underway, the courthouse steps became center stage for an issue that has divided the country. For some, this is a case about government imposing.
The government can mandate this. Where does it stop?
For others, feminism.
We're out here to support women across the U.S. and ensure that they have health care every single day.
For them, it's about faith.
We feel that that is what our Bible and Jesus has taught us, that we need to take care of our neighbors.
What the justices will decide, can the government make people buy private health insurance? The Obama administration argues that everyone has to pay so that insurance companies can be forced to cover the sickest. At its heart, this is a question about the role the government should play in people's lives.
This is a proper use of congressional power to make sure that industry that affects 1/5 of our economy is regulated.
What we're saying is we don't want the government to tell us what to do.
You and your cronies in the government do this kind of stuff all the time.
That sentiment so fiercely felt after the bill's passage 2 years ago, it helped sweep Republicans into power in the House of Representatives and gave momentum to the Tea Party. A clear indication that this will be a main question of the presidential election. Even a Republican presidential hopeful came to the courthouse.
This is about people, it's about health care, it's about doing the right thing.
But for Barbara Kornblue and tens of millions of Americans who don't have or can't get insurance, it's a much more personal issue.
If the Supreme Court rules against this, my daughter will never have health insurance again.
Politics is not supposed to factor into the Supreme Court's decision, but 5 of the justices, the majority, were appointed by Republican presidents. Still, it will impact the politics of the moment. Their decision is expected late this summer, months before the next presidential election. Patty Culhane, Al Jazeera, Washington.